Printer I took apart was a T630, which is an older Lexmark model, but at the time was very expensive. We got gold here, which is not usually found in regular bubble jet printers and whatnot that you find at Best Buy and all of those places. So we got some gold there, some gold in here, a nice peripheral board. Got a power supply here, obviously. Got some some copper, some aluminum, some wire, probably some silver in this switch over here. Got another board here. This is where the main boards and whatnot clip into, so there's definitely gold in here, kind of like the slots on PC motherboards. We also have some wire over there. We have another board here. I'm not too sure of the contacts here. I'm not sure if this is a copper contact or gold, but could be gold. Then we have another board here with some gold fingers. Then we have the main board here, the brains of the printer. We have again some gold fingers. We have a few IC chips and whatnot. This is where you put, these are the slots for the memory, so there's gold in there too. Nothing too crazy, but there's definitely gold. Then we have our steel, quite a bit of it, not too much though. And we have this print head. I'm not sure, this is probably steel, and if you open it up, I'm not sure there's much else in there. We got some aluminum here. We also have two motors, a little board here, which I'm not sure there's anything special here. Some aluminum, two fans, so you have some copper bearing motors over here. We have this guy here, which is the fuser. Has some good weight to it, but you can probably sell just this, even if it's non-working, for probably $5 a piece. So if you get a bunch of these and you hoard them, you can definitely get a few bucks for them. Then we have a couple of ounces of wire, not too much. I left some of the wire in the printer itself, which is right here. I didn't go through it too well because it just would have taken me too much time. Another interesting thing about this printer is this stuff over here, the plastic. There's probably 7 to 10 pounds of ABS plastic. If you guys are into scrapping different types of plastics, I know you can get prices of anywhere between 10 cents to 30 cents for ABS plastic.